Hey eco-adventurers! Ever wonder who hangs out in your garden when you're not looking? Let's set up a wildlife monitoring station and find out. From fluttery butterflies to sneaky squirrels, see who's making cameo appearances in your backyard. Keep track of all your visitors. Which critters love your garden? Writing down their habits helps you know your audience. Each creature plays a role. Butterflies pollinating? Birds eating pests? Observe these natural helpers doing their thing. Now that you know your star performers, it's time to roll out the red carpet. Choose plants that attract your helpful visitors. Settle in and enjoy the show. Your garden's not just a garden, it's a bustling wildlife hub. With your Wildlife Watch setup, you're not just growing a garden, you're supporting a whole ecosystem. Stay wild and keep exploring. Dig this wild adventure? Hit like, subscribe, and explore more with us.